Lesson 21. Did you go alone? Page 52. Conversation. A. Listen. Who did Reiko travel to Hong Kong with? What did she think of Hong Kong Disneyland?
So, where did you go for vacation?
I went to Hong Kong.
Wow! Who did you go with? Did you go alone?
Nope, I traveled with my sister.
How fun! And what did you do there? Did you go to Victoria Peak?
Yeah, we also took a city tour. I took a lot of photos.
I can't wait to see them. Did you go to Hong Kong Disneyland?
We did. It's small, but it's nice. Oh, and I went shopping.
Of course. And what did you buy me?
Page 52. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the 2 extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
So, where did you go for vacation?
I went to Hong Kong. It was a lot of fun.
Wow! Who did you go with? Did you go alone?
Nope, I traveled with my sister. It was her second time there.
How fun! And what did you do there? Did you go to Victoria Peak?
Yeah, we also took a city tour. I took a lot of photos.
I can't wait to see them. Did you go to Hong Kong Disneyland?
We did. It's small, but it's nice. Oh, and I went shopping.
Of course. And what did you buy me?
Page 53. Pronunciation. A. Listen and practice. Notice how we pronounce did you in WH questions. 1.
Who'd you travel with?
2.
What'd you do there?
3.
Where'd you go?
4.
When'd you get back?
5.
Why'd you go there?
6.
How'd you travel?
Lesson 22. Which do you prefer? Page 54. Conversation. A. Listen. Why does Annie prefer hostels? What tour does Jill suggest?
So, Jill, I have my plane ticket to Munich. I just need to decide what to do there.
Maybe I can help, Annie. Do you prefer traveling alone or in a group?
I prefer traveling in a group. I usually have more fun with other people.
And which would you prefer, staying in hostels or staying in hotels?
I'd prefer staying in hostels. It's easier to meet people in hostels.
That's true. And would you rather travel by bus or train?
I'd rather travel by train.
Okay. Then how about this 6-day train tour of Bavaria? Each night you have a choice of a hotel or a hostel.
Page 55. Listening. A and B.
So we need to decide on our trip. We've talked about a lot of options.
I agree. It's decision time.
Okay. We've decided not to do a camping trip. And we're not interested in a spa resort vacation or a cruise. So it's a choice between a backpacking trip and an eco tour.
I'd prefer to go on a backpacking trip.
Oh, good. Me too. I'd rather be flexible. You know, we can then do what we want.
I agree. We need to be flexible. An eco tour would be interesting, but maybe another time.
So that's good. Now, how would you prefer traveling? We can go by bus or by train. The bus is cheaper and goes to more places. What do you think?
I'd prefer traveling by train, if that's okay.
I feel the same way. Trains are more interesting, I think.
We should look into a train pass.
Good idea. But let's decide where we will stay.
Which would you prefer, staying in hotels or hostels?
Definitely hostels. I want to save money.
So do I. Then we can spend it on other things.
Exactly. And what about meals?
There will be a lot of restaurants to choose from. But, I'd like to eat street food.
Do you think it's safe?
Sure. We'll just need to choose carefully.
Why do you prefer street food? To save money?
No, I just prefer trying local foods.
Me too.
So, we decided the big things. I think we'll make great travel partners.
I think so too. We're both looking for the same type of trip. But there's one thing we haven't decided yet.
What's that?
Where are we going?
Lesson 23. You must get a visa. Page 56. Conversation. A. Listen. What does Miguel need to buy? What did he almost forget?
Did you pack everything you need?
Uh-huh. I just need to buy a travel pillow at the airport.
So, this is your first overseas trip and your first flight. Are you nervous?
Not at all.
Remember, you're not allowed to take liquids on the plane.
Really? Okay. I hope I didn't forget anything.
You must take your passport.
Oh, of course. I guess I am a little nervous.
Page 56. Conversation. C. Listen. Write the 2 extra sentences you hear in the conversation. Practice the new conversation.
Did you pack everything you need?
Uh-huh. I just need to buy a travel pillow at the airport.
So, this is your first overseas trip and your first flight. Are you nervous?
Not at all.
Remember, you're not allowed to take liquids on the plane.
Really? Okay. I hope I didn't forget anything. Oh, I should get going.
You must take your passport. You need it to get on the plane.
Oh, of course. I guess I am a little nervous.
Page 57. Pronunciation. A. Listen and practice. Notice how have to is pronounced have to, and has to is pronounced has to. 1.
We don't have to pack a hairdryer.
2.
She has to pack a first aid kit.
Lesson 24. When is the next train? Page 58. Conversation. A. Listen. Is a train leaving after 7:15 p.m.? How long does the trip to New York City take?
Hello. How much is a one-way ticket to New York City?
It's $86.50.
And when is the next train?
It leaves at 7:15 p.m. That's the last train of the day.
Okay. How long does it take to get there?
About 3 hours. It arrives at 10:20 p.m.
And where does it depart from?
Platform 4. Would you like a ticket? The train is leaving soon.
Page 59. Listening. A and B. Number 1.
Next, please.
Hi, how much is the one-way ticket to Paris? For the next train?
A single or one-way ticket is £58. It leaves at 4:10 p.m.
Okay, I'll take it. How long is the trip?
3 hours.
And do I leave from this station?
Oh no, you depart from Waterloo Station.
Do I have enough time to get there?
Oh yes, it's only 4 stops away. Here's your ticket.
Thank you.
Number 2.
Here you go.
Thank you. Any bags?
No, I'm just carrying this.
Just a moment. Oh no. I see the flight is going to leave late.
How late?
Only 1 hour. You will leave from gate 16.
I have to transfer in Mexico City.
Yes. You will still make your connection.
Oh, good. Well, thank you very much.
Excuse me. Don't forget your boarding pass.
Number 3.
Can I help you?
Yes. One ticket to Ottawa, please. One way?
Okay. Are you leaving today?
No, it's for August 30th. I'd like to leave after 6 p.m.
Because it's more than 21 days away. You can get a discount. The fare is $47. Canadian dollars, of course.
Great.
The bus leaves Toronto at 6:30 p.m. and arrives at 11:55 the same evening.
That's fine. Do you know the platform?
No. That's a month away. I suggest you check the board that day.
Of course. Thanks very much.